I'd like to introduce you to a Pilgrim Cobra we currently have for sale in our showrooms. As you can see, it's incredibly striking as it's finished in the iconic Gulf racing livery made famous in the 60s and 70s, especially at Le Mans. As you can, the car was produced in our own workshops and painted in our own paint shops, and it is absolutely striking. You'll notice that the paintwork, the stripes and the blue, are all painted on. There are no decals apart from the Gulf stickers. The actual paint is the two colours with the black pinstripe, then lacquered over, which gives you a lovely finish, a stunning finish on the car. If we move towards the interior is in full leather, handmade in our specialist workshops, and is complemented by full harnessed seat belts attached to the rollover hoops. And for the driver, you have a wood rim Moto-Lita steering wheel, which falls easily to hand. Along the side of the car, you have the iconic side pipes, which sound fantastic, a real thunder as you come through. When you drive these cars, you can really imagine what it will be like back in the day, racing these cars in the 1960s, when the Cobra first was being raced at Sebring and places like that. They must have been amazing cars to drive in those times. Under the bonnet, we now go to the heart of the beast, which is a 302 cubic inch or 5 litre Ford V8. Now, this is a brand new engine. It is not a reconditioned early engine. It's a brand new engine using a brand new cast cylinder block. The engine is mated to a 5-speed Tremec transmission, once again brand new. The gear ratios are lovely. The first 4 gear ratios are very close. 5th gear gives you a nice overdrive style gear for motorway cruising. The car also benefits from electronic fuel injection, electronic ignition, and also aluminium radiator, header tank. Literally, it's the ultimate spec of the Cobras we build. The car was built around 2 years ago. It was a special order for one of our clients. Due to a change in circumstances, the car's now been offered for sale. It's done less than 700 miles. It's literally as new. It's a real top spec car, and everyone comments on how great it looks. It does come with full weather equipment, a tonneau cover, and a removable soft top. And that's all available in the price. I hope you enjoyed looking at the car. It really is one of the nicest cars we've ever seen here, and please give us a call for more information. Obviously, one of the most important things is to hear that 302 cubic inch engine burst into life.